Hello everyone. Do you want to earn more on Instacart in 2024? Today, I will reveal the secret tips to help you get the biggest and best batches. So, let's maximize your earnings. Your customer rating is crucial for accessing high-paying batches. Deliver top-notch service by double-checking orders, keeping customers informed, and handling items with care. A rating above 4.9 significantly increases your chances of getting premium batches. High demand times like evenings, weekends, and holidays often have the most lucrative batches. Log in during these hours to take advantage of the rush. You can also monitor Instacart's in-app notifications for surge pricing opportunities. Position yourself near popular grocery stores in affluent areas. High-income neighborhoods typically have larger orders, increasing batch size and tip potential. Use the Instacart Shopper app to scout hotspots in your area. Don't just grab the first batch you see. Review the order details carefully. Prioritize batches with high item counts, shorter delivery distances, and better tips. It is okay to skip smaller, less profitable batches to wait for bigger ones. Now keep your communication clear and professional. If you need to make substitutions, ask the customer for their preference instead of guessing. This builds a trust and increases the likelihood of receiving a generous tip. And that's it. Follow these tips to secure the biggest batches on Instacart in 2024. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.